Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are very well. Welcome again in this new video. This video is the second part of the story Mittu and the Yellow Mango. In previous video, we learned that Mittu was a parrot and he loved to fly. One day while flying, he saw a yellow mango on the mango tree. Mittu wanted to eat that yellow mango, so he flew down to the mango tree. अभी तक हमने स्टोरी में देखा कि मिट्टू मैंगो को देखकर उसे खाने के लिए ट्री के पास जाता है और फिर क्या होता है we will learn in this video. So let's read and understand the next part of the story, Mittu and the yellow mango. Cow, cow, go away. This is my tree, said a voice. Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. जब मिट्टू मैंगो खाने के लिए ट्री के पास आया तभी उसे एक आवाज आई, काऊ काऊ चले जाओ, दिस इज माय ट्री, ये मेरा ट्री है। मिट्टू ने ऊपर देखा, उसने एक बड़े से ब्लैक क्रो को देखा। Their voice means a sound produced by throat, means आवाज आना। काऊ काऊ go go, the crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow. He flew away. Mittu saw a red balloon and was under a tree. He had an idea. जो crow था वो जोर जोर से चिल्ला रहा था, काऊ काऊ गो गो, और मिट्टू crow से डर गया और वहां से उड़ गया। थोड़ी दूर पे मिट्टू को एक रेड कलर का बैलून दिखा जो एक ट्री के नीचे पड़ा था। उसने बैलून को देखकर उसके दिमाग में या माइंड में एक आइडिया आया। He picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree. मिट्टू ने उस बैलून को केयरफुली उठा लिया ताकि बैलून फट न जाए और वहां वापस मैंगो ट्री की तरफ उड़ने लगा। क्रो मैंगो ट्री पर बैठा था। मिट्टू ट्री के पीछे चला गया और धीरे से बैठ गया। अब इसके आगे क्या होगा? मिट्टू बैलून का क्या करेगा? जरा सोचिए। I will tell you in the next video. स्टोरी तो बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग थी, है ना? Do you enjoy this story? Yes, then good. Now come to the comprehension question to check कि आपको स्टोरी कितनी समझ में आई। Answer these questions. Question number 1. Who lived on the mango tree? The answer is a big black crow lived on the mango tree. Question number 2. What did the big black crow say? The answer is the big black crow said Mittu to go away. The big black crow said Mittu to go away. Now it's practice time. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Mittu saw a dash balloon under a tree. Options: red. Option B, blue. Next question. Cow cow, go away. This is my dash. Option A, apple. Option B, tree. Next question. Mittu was afraid of the dash. Option A, mango. Option B, crow. Next question. Mittu went behind the dash. Option A, tree. Option B, balloon. That's it today. Take care. Keep smiling and enjoy the story. Thank you. Bye.